Good day, guys. We will be going to the Fairy Falls. At the moment, dito kami with my nephew, Kian. We are going to the Fairy Falls. We are kind of lost. Kanina, we don't know where to park our car. No signals in here, so the GPS is kind of lost too. So we just have to follow this track. It will be a 25 to 30-minute walk to see the Fairy Falls. Alright, guys. Let's see you later.
It's funny because you always see those leash.
So we'll have to clean our footwear. I-apak mong, i-brush mong shoes mo dyan. Brush. Tapos apak, you step on that spray thing. I-spray, mag-spray yan siya one foot at a time.
Your feet, like this. Foot. Other foot? This one.
Sure.
This foot. Yeah, good.
Yep.
Alright.
Warning, animal pest control is underway. Whew. Inaano nila yung shoes natin para hindi mamantay yung mga moss dito. Kasi pag namatay yung moss, yung mga ganun dito, masira ang forest. So we have another 6-minute walk to arrive at the Fairy Falls. We are now here. Good morning.
Just be careful.
Thank you. Delikado dyan dito. Mahulog. Very, very deep. Let's go down. Patay dito mamaya, pabalik ba? Ngayon madali lang, pababa. It's going down, it's too easy. Later when we go back, good luck. Hello. I can hear now the waterfalls. Excited pa na bababa, later on babalik. Going back, good luck. Kaya pala yung kanina, parang mamatay yung kanina yung babae kanina. Tapos nandun po yung anak niya sa likod niya, diba? It's getting near. Siguro 200 meter na lang or less. You can hear now the streams, the waterfall. Whew. Getting near the Fairy Falls. quad pala yan, steps, no? Doon ba ang the last part ng Pano Waterfalls? Wow! Excuse me dear, thank you. Naluya tuwad, shakinis na. Ilang steps kaya ito? Na-count mo. Later on, good luck, pauwi. Dati may ganito rin sa Mindanao, ang tinago waterfalls sa pababa. Excited kami lahat pababa, pag pauwi, para ka mamatay, babalik. Tiki Town, maybe, I'm not yet sure. Tingnan mo nga, ano nakasulat.
Ay, ito nga talagang fake falls.
Doon sila nagaligo. I thought this is already the fairy falls. So we have to relax a bit, then we go down again. Ha? Gusto mo?
Wala na kasi doon. Tambay na yung dyan ako. Matakot ako doon sa kamaligo.
Oh. After 30 minutes going uphill, we are running out of gas. At least a few more steps. We need help going up. The steps aren't done yet. Pretty tiring. It's been 45 minutes going up. Going down is only 30 minutes. Now it's been 45 minutes. We're not yet done. Going down is the easiest, but going up is hell. I think we're only 200 meters away from our parking area. After an hour, we are back again here at the cleaning area of our shoe. Alrighty guys, bye.